Hey there, it's Damon again with my Amazon Prime Superfood Smoothie series. Uh, right now we're going to look at the Univera Xtra concentrate. Um, it's actually an MLM company, so it's kind of awesome that Amazon now has it as something that's available. That's where I was first introduced to it, was through network marketing, so I've heard a lot about it. And actually like it. This is like the one product of all of the millions of them that I've heard of and tried that I actually stuck with because I had a real experience with it. Not really a fan of the whole business model of that, or maybe we don't need to go into that, but this thing is amazing. Just what's in it and a lot of the science. I've actually met the scientists who formulated this, and it is very powerful. It's full of all kinds of amazing antioxidant fruits and whatnot, and some sort of patented things that you can't find anywhere else. It does have a green tea extract, which it's not like, even in the concentrate form, if I have this just on its own, I'm not particularly like jazzed from caffeine from the green tea extract. So it's mostly the other properties, I believe, that are being extracted for health purposes. It's just got a lot of things in here. Rhodiola, and what else we got in here? Oh, it's like listing the protein and whatnot, which I'm not sure how there's 1 gram, but there's a fruit concentrate blend. Let's see, grape, cranberry, blueberry, lots of things. It's got a different kind of a sweetener in it that some people have a problem with, maybe, but because it's fake. Oh shoot, I can't remember what that is on this very detailed label. I think I'm going to do another video